Hello my jewels, welcome back to another video. I am Sapphire. Today in this video I am here to do a review of my deep treatment mask, which is the from Shea Moistures, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Treatment Mask. Okay, it does have shea butter, peppermint, apple cider vinegar, and it is nourishing and renewed. That's what it says, and it is for natural, chemically processed or heated style hair, sulfate free and color safe. And I got this from Walgreens a few weeks ago for $9. Most of the Shea Moisture products were on sale for $9, and I told you guys I'm going to do a review. I've already done a review last week with the Miel leave-in conditioner to keep my hair moisturized. I did that one, and I'm going to do a review with this one on today. This one does have small levels of protein in here, so the other deep treatment mask, the super fruit, I think it is the super fruit, this from Shea Moisture, the other one I showed you guys, the 10-in-1, that one is also a strengthener, so I won't be using that one until September, okay, because I don't want to have a protein overload, so I won't do that one too close, all right? But today, this is my first time using this one. I've already washed my hair with the shampoo, okay, because I had a little buildup. I said, like, my hair gets built up. It takes from 8 to 9 weeks, and I get a little buildup. And I have been using a lot of oils in my hair because I do oil treatments every Thursday, and then sometime I would just put oil at the end of my hair, and then I would just put plastic on there to keep them moisturized. So I do that as well. So I want to thank everyone who are here on today. Thank you so much. Welcome to my channel, and I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video. I also want to thank all of my wonderful new subscribers as well. Thank you so much, and I hope and pray that you enjoyed this video too. Now, so I'm going to put this, oh, it came right off. Okay, the top. Okay, I thought it was going to come off, and this is how it looks. Okay, and it smells just like the shampoo. It really does. It smells, the leave-in, it smells somewhat like the leave-in, but the leave-in smells to me like vanilla clay. This one, it smells like the shampoo. It almost smells like a leave-in too, okay? So, yeah, but the shampoo puts me in the mind of maple syrup. I don't know why, maybe it's the color, but that's what it puts me in the mind. It smells sweet, you know, it smells very sweet. So I'm going to take some, and I'm just going to apply it to my hair. Okay, let me comb it out. Oops. Okay, so make sure all the knots are out of there. So I'm just going to take some, and it is thick. Y'all see that? It's very thick. Okay, so, oh, that is really thick. I can put some of this in here. Oh, look at that. Wow. Let me take my comb and do this. Okay. Oh. Yeah, you just need just a little bit of this. Check that out. Oh, my Lord. Yes, yes. This is really thick. Okay. Take my comb. Still going just a little bit. Y'all see how this is? Look at that. But it's working. I mean, I'm getting it all over. I'm not dipping, you know. I can try this again because it's just a lot to just, yeah. Okay. All right. All right, so now to my ends. Okay, it's going on kind of dry-like, you know, because it's really thick. My Shea Moisture, the raw butter, it's thick too, but it goes on smooth. This one is just a little dry, just a tad dry. Um, If I don't like it, I'll just give it to my grandson before he leaves off for school, because he's leaving the 22nd. Michael, our oldest grandson, he's 19 and he's going to college in New York. So he just switched it up a little bit. So he'll be leaving, and his last day is the 21st. So yeah, but if I don't like it, I'll give it to him. But yeah, I got a chance to get it in. Okay, it took me a little bit to get it in, but so I'm just going to twist this up, okay, and yeah, I'll see, okay. So far it's okay. I won't say, oh, I like it, you know, but yeah, so that's how it is. It feels a little dry to me. So I'm going to finish this up, guys, and I'll be back and I'll show you what I did, and then I'll leave this on for 35 minutes under my hooded dryer. Okay, so give me maybe about 6-7 minutes to finish doing this, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm done. All braids are done. This one's trying to come down now. All braids are done. And what I did when I got off camera, okay, because this one, this section right here, when I first applied it, my hair was damp. It didn't go on as smooth as I thought it would, because I thought it would go on smooth because it was Shea Moistures. I'm thinking most of their conditioners are the same, or they react the same way to my hair. But the Raw Shea Butter, even when my hair is damp, it goes on very smooth and it absorbs very well. But what I did is went to get my my spray bottle, and then I just started spritzing my hair. So when I spritz my hair to give it a little more wetness to it, then the conditioner went on very smooth. Then I asked my grandson, Michael, he said, yeah, Grandma, he said, because once he get out the shower, his hair is wrinking wet, and then he applied the conditioner. So the next time I use this, okay, then I will just have my hair wringing wet. I won't put the shirt over my hair to draw up some of the water. But other than that, it did go on smooth, and it absorbs, it absorbed very well. So yeah, so give me about 35 minutes. Okay, I'm going under my hooded dryer. Give me 35 minutes, and then I will be back, rinse this out, and let you see the results of my hair. See if my hair is moisturized and manageable. Okay, so give me 35 minutes. Okay, I took the braids down just for time's sake, and combed it out a little bit. You see right here, the product is still right here, because this, I didn't wet it like I did the other sections, but right here, y'all see it right here is still some of the product. Okay, the other product, the other side with the conditioner in my hair, it absorbed very well. Okay, and that's because I added water to it. And all back here, you see, I can't tell back there, so you guys probably can. So but right here, that was my problem. So I'm going to give it another whirl, as in combing this out. Ooh. Okay, now it's not tangled up, but when I use it again, I'll tell you guys. I won't do a review, but I'll just use a little more water. So I'm going to rinse this out, and I'll come back and see if it gives me moisture in my hair. But this side feels just a little dry, just a little bit, and I just got from under my hooded dryer. But the rest of this, it feels very soft and moisturized. So I'm going to rinse it out, and I'll be right back. Okay, it's been about 7, maybe 8 minutes since I had this shirt on my head. So I'm going to take it off. Some of the water is absorbed up in my, ooh, okay. So now, oh, okay, got the part right. Look at that. All right. So now I just want to see. I'm afraid. Let me see if it's soft. It feels soft. It feels soft. It really does. I'll play with it a little bit before I take the comb, but I'm going to do it very gently. Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yes. Okay, it's soft, y'all, and oh, could have fooled me. I was a little concerned because when I first applied it to my hair, it went on kind of drying, you know, like my hair was dry. You know how you put conditioner on dry hair? That's what it felt like, but my hair was damp. But when I got off camera and I just spritzed the rest of my hair, you know, it went on very smooth, and it's soft, y'all. I wish y'all can feel it. Look at that. The conditioner came out really well. Yeah. Okay. Well, I was going to give it to my grandson, Michael, to be frank. I really was going to give it to him because I thought that my whole hair was going to feel dry. And then when I got into my hooded dryer, it was still, you could still see the product in my hair on this side. I'm not sure about the back. I have to look at this video just to see. But in essence, it did leave my hair soft. I didn't have a hard time with tangling or anything like that. So, yeah, but I'll give it another try. And this time I'll have my hair wet, not damp. Okay, so I didn't know, but this was my first time using the product. I put the product back in the cabinet. So this was my first time using the product. So yeah, so I'm going to put my leave-in on, which is the Miel, the Peony White, the White Peony leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to do that and then put some coconut oil on it and just let it finish air drying, and then I'll pull it up. Okay. So thank you guys so much. If you like the review, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you have used this product before and what was your first time experience with the product. I really would like to know. And if you use any other Shea Moisture products, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, so thank you guys so much. And I hope and pray that you enjoyed this weekend. And I also hope and pray that you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much. Until next time. Mwah. God bless you.